Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Gold Fishing. We're back. Massive storm coming. We're back at Private Pond. We're gonna go have us some fun catching some bass. Got Drake again. Remember, gold stands for get out and live. Let's go get to it, have some fun. Got him. He's all caught up in the moss. Looks like a good fish though. Just spooked another one. Oh yeah. Skipping him across. Oh yeah, he's a good three for sure. Oh, he just flopped off. Hex to the yeah. He's a healthy one too. Nice guy hanging out in the moss. For sure. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, that's so much fun when they blow up through the moss like that. A lot of fun. Nice, fat, healthy fish. Spooked another one bringing him in too. There's a few of them out there. Let this guy go. There he goes. Let's go get some more. Had some movement there for a second. There's a fish right out there. Let's see if we can't get it to him. Basically just crawling this thing over the moss. I'm not really working it all that much. Just crawling it. Very lifelike what a frog would be doing. Hopping along on top of the moss. Oh, there was some movement right there. He was looking. Oh, we landed right on top of one. Spooked him. There's some more out there deep. Out there farther in this stuff. Let's see if we can't get out to them. It's a pain in the butt to pull them through all that stuff, but I don't care. Fish is fish. Tried. He missed it twice. Got him. He tried it. Third time's the charm, like I said. He tried 3 times, finally got him. Oh, and he came off right there. Dang it. Still fun. Still fun. Yeah, tried at it 3 times, finally got the hook on the 3rd, and he still came unbuttoned. That was still exciting. It's still fun. Topwater frogging is a ton of fun. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but that frog is agreeing over there. Oh my gosh. Guy jumped clean out of the water right there for a dragonfly. Oh my gosh, that was a monster. Come on buddy, come get it. What we need is a dragonfly. That guy's been eating them, and there's one out there that's been eating them. Holy crap, he hit that thing good. Got a ton of moss on him. Got us the whopper plopper bass. How big is he?
Not too big, but he's decent.
Oh, he's gonna go. Yeah, he's about 2.
Okay, got him.
2 to 2.5-ish. Yeah, he's close to 2. Yep, that's the one that was blowing up on him.
Yeah, he's a decent one. He hit that thing good.
Oh yeah, I saw he's been jumping 2 feet out of the water for dragonflies. He's an active fish for sure. Oh, beans.
Decent one. Let him go down here.
Can get out of all this crap. Wrong way. I just pick him up and chuck him out there if he keeps coming back. Chuck him out about 5 feet or so into that stuff. Yeah, there you go.
All right, cool beans.
Yeah, I'm getting hit a bunch out there. The fish are in that moss for sure. Oh, ho, ho, ho. I don't know if that was a bass or if that was a carp trying to get away because we scared it or what, but we're gonna try going right back through there. There's definitely some fish right along this side though. Oh, I think I'm spooking carp. Some of these are like massive movements under there, and it's almost like they're running away from. Oh no, that was chasing it. That one was chasing it. Oh, got him. Oh yeah. Woo, doggy. He tried a few times, but finally got him. Not as big as the last guy, but he's still a 2.5-er. Oh, that frog is fun. I think I'm gonna change it from the frog anyway though. But look how he had that. It's freaking awesome. Ate it good. There we go, got him out. Nice healthy fish. Let's turn him into an Olympic diver. Splash or no splash? Definitely a big splash. All right, let's go get us some more. You gotta be fetching kidding me! My line snapped like that. I didn't even feel it. I have no idea how it snapped so easy. Yeah, gone. Dang it, that's my only frog. That was sweet though. That was sweet. Jumped clean out of the water. He definitely had it when I set the hook. No idea how it snapped so easy. Oh. He was definitely going for it on that one. Oh, there's another one right there to try going for it. Come on. There's a couple of them right there. Oh my gosh, got him. Woo, doggy. He wanted that froggy. Ha ha ha. Holy cow, he's not even that big, but man, he had that thing. He had that thing good. Ooh, I love it when that happens. Just love it when they blow clean out of the water like that. Yeah, he's a 2-pounder, nothing special, but man, he wasn't coming off, that's for sure. Might actually have to get my pliers out to get him. Help bend him. Oh, there we go. Alrighty. Nice little bass on the froggy. Go. Go fish. Go. You're free. You just gotta figure it out. Oh, you are smart. Bye-bye. That was fun. Got him?
Yeah, he hit it right at the edge.
Nice.
Can't tell. I think he's a decent one, but he's in the moss.
Through all that moss. They can't fight when they get covered in crap like that. There's nothing they can do. So as long as you can drag them, you got them.
Oh, there's so much moss.
That's only a 10-pound leader, so yeah.
A decent one.
Yeah, he's 2.5-ish.
We can't get him off of here.
How'd you have him hooked?
Right on the jaw. Oh.
It wasn't too deep. Oh, it's all right.
There we go.
Oh, he's 2 3/4. He's getting up there close to 3.
Yeah. It's a decent one.
Yeah.
That's number 4.
Number 4 for you?
Yeah.
I think I'm at 3, so you're ahead of me.
There it goes.
Bye-bye.
A little splashy.
Splashy, splashy. Good shower. Think I got him. Yeah. Just spooked another one though too. He's a little guy. What are you doing eating a frog that size? Jeez. Oh man, whoops. Sorry guy. Yeah, that guy shouldn't be eating a frog like that. Hey man, I like your style. Like your style. Feisty little guy. Right when I'm about to leave this place, I get hit. So it makes me stay. That's a crazy storm. Looks like it's coming soon. Well, looks like we have to call it short today. We've got a massive storm coming, lightning, thunder, all kinds of stuff. And the wind's really bad. You probably can't hear anything anyways, but we had a good time. Caught 4 each, so we tied again. This pond's lots of fun. I'm glad we came back. Thanks for watching. Remember to go subscribe, like, share, all that stuff you know you're supposed to do. And we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.